Hey loves, so I just got me another influencer box today. The first one I got was small. This one is big and it's from Influensters. I want to make y'all a video because I'm so happy that they chose me. Because it's not like Ipsy and all of those. You can't just order the box. You gotta be chosen for it. And thankfully, I was chosen. So the first time was like wrinkle cream, but I made a video, but I couldn't use it. So I'm so anxious to see my box, y'all. Okay, so that's the first thing I got. And it's Copper Tone Sunscreen Lotion, pure and simple. I do plan on going to the beach soon. Then I have, this is She Motion, She, however you say it. 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration body lotion with coconut milk. Then I have Renew Life Women's Care Ultimate Floral Probiotics. 10 probiotic strains, 60 vegetable capsules. Supports digestive and immune health, promotes vaginal health. Then I have this. This is Evening Clean It Up shampoo. I've never heard of that, but I'll give it a try. I want to smell it. Has a good smell to it. And then I got Kleenex wet wipes. 2X of those. So that's 6 items in the box. All free. Didn't pay for anything. So it actually came with a little information sheet for me, y'all. These go for $1. It says the Eva New York Clean It Up shampoo goes for $9. The She Motion She Moisture Foaming Body Wash, it says. Okay, so I think they left out the body wash, but anyway, this goes for $3.99, and it's like a little travel size, I guess. The Copper Tone goes for $8.99, and the probiotics go for $32.99. So I think they mistakenly put 2 of these in here and forgot the body wash, because I was supposed to have the body wash for this, but it's not up there. But I mean, it's not nothing I paid for. They sent them to me completely free, just some complimentary products for me to test out for the company. Didn't pay for anything. Don't send any money. Just go, you sign up, and you do reviews on things you use, which everyone uses items. I mean, just simple stuff. It could be lipsticks you use. You could do a review on those, and you just post them online pretty much. Bath and Body Works, just anything you use, lotion. I mean, shampoo. It doesn't matter. Just, it could be food. Just any name brand, not name, just any brand item that you use pretty much. You just do a review on them and, or yeah, take a picture and then do a review. But this is the Celebrate Mom's VoxBox. So I'm glad they chose me. I'm gonna try the shampoo, but it'll be a couple weeks, at least 2 weeks, because I just washed my hair. I've used the wet wipes before. They're good for when you're traveling, y'all. Very good. I haven't tried this lotion, but I'm gonna try it. So it's not going back in my box. It's going for my lotions. So is, y'all. These, now I take these vitamins. And I take some cranberry vitamins sometimes. But I have never tried a probiotic. But I will try it. I mean, I'll try. As long as it ain't a big, huge pill. Because in that case, they don't smell like nothing. It's just a little white powder in there. Ooh, capsule. So, try 'em. Let's say for best results, take 1 capsule daily with or without food. I won't be using. I guess I could use it, like, especially during the summer, because I seem to get sunburn quite often, and it'd be awful. And it's mainly on the arm that like sits by the window in the car. It gets darker than my other arm, or like my face starts to get darker from me being in the sun. Or you put on some shorts and your legs ain't the same color as your arm. Because I do wear a lot of leggings. So I'm definitely gonna try it this year. This summer. Doesn't have a scented smell. Just smells. It got a smell, but not like a something draw you in kind of smell. This smells heavenly. It smells really nice. Now I have tried. Oh, it's really, really thick. Y'all see that? It's really, really thick. I like that. Because you have to use, I mean, you use less when it's thin. I mean, when it's thick, you use less. And when it's thin and like runny, watery, you use more. I hate runny lotion. Leaves you feeling soft too, you guys. So I like that. Has a nice little smell to it. Not like I'm used to, because I'm used to Bath and Body Works. I always seen it. But definitely got a nice. I'll put it in my purse. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This smells like some medicine. But it has protein and argan oil. I'll definitely be trying it. But I'm glad I got my little box, y'all. It's been a while since I got the last small little box, but I got me a box. And I usually order like little boxes like I did the Walmart box and stuff, but I haven't ordered any in a while. And I got a box from somewhere else, but I was a little late doing the review for it, so I guess they didn't want to send me another one. But it's okay, as long as I keep getting that one. And again, the company is Influensters. So all of y'all at home that like getting little products to try. Completely free, y'all. Completely free. Not, you don't pay for no shipping, no nothing. Completely free. So, definitely something to look at. All you doing in return is making reviews. I don't have to post anything to my Instagram. I don't have to put anything on my YouTube, but I do because I'm a YouTuber, so. But, yeah. That's what I'm doing. Bye, y'all.